Ready to score some serious Temu discounts and freebies by sharing the love with your friends? Let's dive right into how to refer a friend on Temu. First, make sure you're logged into the Temu app. Look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the U icon. It's usually located on the far right. On your profile page, find the Refer and Earn button. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will definitely mention referring or inviting friends. Tap on that. This will bring you to your referral page. You'll see your unique referral code displayed prominently. This is the key to unlocking those sweet rewards. Now, let's get sharing. You'll see options to share your referral link via various platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and more. Pick your favorite. Just tap on the platform of your choice. A pre-written message with your referral link will appear, ready to send to your friends. You can customize this message if you like. Once your friends sign up using your link and start shopping, you'll start earning rewards. Keep track of your successful referrals and available rewards right here on this page. Finally, enjoy your Temu credits, coupons, or whatever amazing rewards you've earned. You can usually find them applied automatically at checkout or in your account section. Happy shopping and happy referring.